It's funny how Mother Nature works in mysterious ways, but truly parts of Brunswick County, Bald Head Island, Oak Island, Carolina Beach, Wrightsville Beach, and Wilmington have just been getting absolutely hammered so far this morning by like a fire hose of moisture coming off of the Atlantic into southeastern North Carolina. Some places in Brunswick and New Hanover counties near Wilmington and Oak Island have gotten over a foot of rain since midnight, just in 12 hours. So there's some big time flooding happening down along the coast. This tropical system doesn't have a name. It's not a named storm. But still, obviously, it goes to show you that it can be impactful. For here at home, we've had some clouds and some periods of light rain, but you can tell by the yellows and oranges on radar here that some heavier stuff is starting to creep westward, getting closer and closer to our area, and it'll continue to spread a bit closer as we go through the rest of our Monday afternoon. This is the latest advisory on the system. It's called a potential tropical cyclone, but basically it's bringing tropical storm-like conditions to parts of our coastline. Winds are at 50 miles per hour, rough surf, wind, flooding, rain down there at the coast, and it's all kind of spreading inland. Now, over the next couple of days, it'll slowly creep further inland, likely moving ashore somewhere near Myrtle Beach and then moving up through central South Carolina to near the Charlotte area. But still, us being on that northern side of the storm, we're expecting most of the rain and wind it has to offer here at home in the Piedmont Triad. So temperatures are in the 60s outside right now. There's some light rain. We're not going to warm up much today. Only upper 60s for highs. Then we're back down into the low to mid 60s overnight tonight, with some heavy rain bands continuing to kind of spiral into the area, mostly while we're sleeping overnight tonight. Upper 60s in the foothills too, and mid to upper 60s for highs in the mountains as well as that heavy rain continues to spread in. This is what the radar might look like. We got to get ready for some just nasty weather later this evening and then overnight tonight. You can tell that heavier rain moves in. I really think Monday evening after dinner time and then into the early overnight hours of Tuesday morning is probably the wettest and windiest time frame for us here in the Piedmont Triad. Bands of heavy rain likely and some 30 to 40 mile per hour wind gusts possible too. Now, rain may become a bit more spotty by Tuesday afternoon, which we would be thankful for, but still we'll at least have the chance for some lingering rain on Tuesday as well. Here's a look at some of those modeled wind gusts for later this evening at 11:30. Remember that wettest and windiest time I was talking about? Later tonight, wind gusts 30 to 40 miles per hour possible, and because the center of the storm will move a bit closer to us, the National Weather Service has issued a wind advisory for those potentially higher wind gusts in Davidson, Randolph, and Montgomery County. So really the southern Piedmont, the best chance of getting super heavy rain and some good wind gusts from this. But we really all will experience some pretty nasty weather over the next 24 hours. As far as rainfall totals go, I think this model's doing a good job. I expect anywhere from 1 to 3 inches here locally in the Piedmont Triad. Of course, because of that, you'd expect we have a flood watch. Got to watch out for ponding on the roads and maybe some rising creeks and streams with time as these bands of heavy rain continue to spiral in. So today and tomorrow are weather impact days. Rain is a bit more scattered for Wednesday. Highs will be in the 70s for the rest of the week. Looks like we've got a nice weekend on the way.